The obsession with the next big thing often keeps us from seeing what is already sitting right in front of our faces. Everyone is whispering about a new ultra-compact flyer that might arrive soon, but the rumors are just that, rumors. We hear about a frame that is even lighter than the current smallest model. People are hoping for a redesigned cage that uses an open grille to keep the weight down. There is talk about a massive jump in video quality, specifically for those who love those silky smooth, slow-motion shots. They say it will still be light enough to stay under the weight limit for registration. It will likely remain as that tiny gadget you can launch straight from the palm of your hand for a quick social media post. But let us look at the powerhouse that is actually available to buy right now. This existing drone is an absolute game changer for anyone starting out. It uses a sensor that is significantly larger than what you usually find in this category. The lens lets in a ton of light, which is perfect for when the sun starts to go down. You get professional level color depth and a dynamic range that captures every detail in the shadows and the bright sky. It even records in a format that gives you total control when you sit down to edit. While the rumored drone is still a mystery, this current champion is packed with safety features. It has vision sensors that see in every single direction. It even uses a special light-based radar system for incredible precision. That is almost unheard of for a drone that costs less than $400. Most of the competition only has sensors pointing at the ground. This one acts like it has eyes in the back of its head. You also get a massive amount of internal storage. If you ever get to the park and realize you left your memory card on the desk, it does not matter. The drone has you covered with 42 gigabytes of built-in space. It tracks moving subjects with incredible speed, keeping up with you at over 12 meters per second. It can fly for over 35 minutes on a standard charge. If you swap in the high-capacity battery, you are looking at nearly an hour of total airtime. It weighs less than a small bag of flour. It fits into the palm of your hand just like the rumored model. The choice comes down to whether you want a promise or a product. The current model is a beast for creators who need a real camera in the sky today. The upcoming successor will likely be simpler and more focused on portability than pure power. If you need a tool that can dodge trees and film professional-grade clips this weekend, the choice is already made. Stop chasing the ghost of a release date and look at the tech that is actually ready to fly. It offers a level of safety and image quality that would have cost thousands just a few years ago. You are getting a flagship experience for a fraction of the price. The rumors are fun to track, but they cannot film your next adventure. Only the drone in your hand can do that. It is time to stop waiting and start flying. Why settle for a potential upgrade that might not even launch for months when you can have a drone with better obstacle avoidance and a superior sensor today? The current entry-level king offers things like automatic tracking and high-speed following that make you look like a pro pilot on your first day. It is rugged, it is smart, and it is available. The rumored competition might be lighter, but it likely won't match the sheer hardware strength we are seeing in the current flagship. You have to ask yourself if you want a toy or a tool. One is built for quick selfies, while the other is built for cinematic storytelling. Don't let the hype for a future model distract you from the incredible value that is already on the market. Get out there and capture something amazing.